If you want to show the internet speed on the status bar on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case we can open the Play Store and we can download an app that allows us to check the internet speed. So we're gonna go to search and we can search for internet speed. There we go, we should be able to find internet speed meter, and this is the app that we can use as an example. Now let's install the app, and once it is installed, of course, we want to open it to set it up. There we go, so let's open it. This setup is really easy. All you have to do is grant permissions to let the app send you notifications. There we go. And now if we exit the app, you should be able to find the information about the internet speed. It should be visible over here at the top right next to the date. But if it's not visible, then what you might need to do is go to settings and to proceed to notifications. Now over here on the status bar, you want to go to the status bar, you want to switch to icons. And now over here, as you can see, we do have the internet speed visible. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.